Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at Empty Paradise. If you guys are new here, I do all kinds of crazy awesome car content. Here I'm up in Austin at Pistons at the Park, where I brought my Porsche up. Got Cameron's Porsche right here. We do a bunch of wraps, got crazy wings, crazy liveries, some engine exhaust stuff. But yeah, definitely hit that subscribe button if you guys are new here. But let's go ahead and get started with checking out all the cars. There's a bunch of supercars. Got Joe's Honda S2K, which is a crazy build. So let me go ahead and start with that, and I'll show you guys a little bit more of what's here. Okay, so you can probably hear it, but that McLaren 720S has a titanium exhaust, which sounds amazing. So I'm trying to wait for him to park and I can actually go and show you guys up close because it looks so good. All right, so when Ford released the Bronco, it was just like the Bronco Sport, and it's the model that like, nobody really cared about, honestly. A lot of people bought it because it was cheap and cute. This is the Bronco that everybody was pretty much wanting to see. You got the 4 doors, got pretty much ready for off-road, and looks pretty sick. So let me go ahead and show you guys some of that, some close-ups. Alright guys, so out of all the C8s I've seen, this one's probably the coolest. It has this like crazy custom wrap that looks almost like an old school like fighter jet with like all the rivets, the gray, and it looks super cool. So let me show you guys this. So a lot of times like meets like this, especially in Texas, are extremely hot. So it started at 8 and it's already like, oh, like 9:40, and a lot of people already heading out. There's still people pulling in, which is kind of funny. But yeah, there's all kinds of crazy things. Like cars are just, like I said, coming and going. But yeah, this is such a great turnout. And yeah, Pistons at the Park is definitely a meet I suggest. Like definitely guys, check it out, Pistons at the Park. Look it up on Facebook. Also check out the page, Sweet Rides of Central Texas. You can hop on there and it has all the notifications of any events, especially like this one. So definitely go check out those pages. There will be a link in the description down below. So definitely go down and check this out, give them a follow, and you guys will be up to date on whenever all these awesome events are going on, get more people out here, and yeah, build a community. So it's always a good day when you're walking around and all you see is like a bunch of Nissan GTRs. You have the old school ones. You have one of the R35s, but it's actually, there's another one, so let me go check that out. But it's like the majority of the times now you see the older ones, which is really good because those are the ones that everybody loves and they prefer. Honestly, if I were to own one, I'd rather own an R35, but R34 and older, they still look so good. Alright guys, so this is like the craziest Urus I've ever seen in my life. Even online, like the Man Street ones have nothing on this. Like this thing is insane. I missed the rev, but there's a bunch of pops and crackles. There's a SVJ as well, which is in this beautiful gold, but holy cow, let me show you guys these cars because they are insane. So I think this is probably one of the craziest Uruses in the entire world. Like these things are, like this thing is insane. Let's see if we can get a good rev on this. Alright guys, so it looks like somebody actually wrecked pulling out. That's why you don't do these crazy pulls when leaving a parking lot, or whip it around and then take off. Because it looks like I see the hatch of a Corvette up and it's obviously facing the wrong direction. Fire truck, bunch of police cars. I hope everybody's okay. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video right there. If you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit the like button. Also, let me know what your favorite car was here at this entire meet. I guess it's the favorite car I showed because there's so many here, it's impossible to film everything. But I'm trying my best to show you guys some of my favorites. Also a lot of JDM, European, kind of supercars, stuff like that, a little bit of muscle. But like I said, put down in the comments below what your favorite car was. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. As always guys, thank you for watching.